Hi, Dada. You gonna say hi, Daddy? That's not saying hello. Say, hi, Daddy. What are you doing, you big goof? Say hi, Daddy. Dad's not saying hi, Daddy. Hello, Zachary. Yeah, hello. Arr. What did it do to you? Hello. See if I can make him dance. Okay. Say bye-bye, Daddy. Say bye-bye. Let's wave. Wave to Dad. So all he wants to do is stick his fingers in his mouth. He's just like his dad. Oh. Maybe he's going to be a filmmaker, honey. Say hi, Daddy. You can't have the camera. Oh, baby on the floor. Okay.